Alright, how's everybody doing? Alright, so little update. I got the intercooler mounted up. The piping was a little messed up, so I have to fix that a little bit. It wasn't connected, but yeah, it's going around through the back. You see it right there. And then I got it going through here with the blow valve. I don't have it connected yet. I just got this on there. I'll just, test fitting some things, seeing if it'll go through here and whatnot. So just ignore that. And then I got this one going through here. It's clearing the gear shift, so it should be good. Both of them are. I haven't had this one connected. I still gotta buy me another coupler for that. And then for the back here, heat tape wrapped a bunch of stuff. As you can see, the feed line I wrapped in gold tape, and then the wire harness. And then I bought a turbo blanket recently. And then I also wrapped the downpipe right now. I mean, a couple days ago I wrapped it. So I got that wrapped up. I have start in it. It starts up right away. I've driven a couple times. There's still a couple things I need to do. Yeah, like I said, still some things I need to do. I'm not all the way done with it. Hopefully I run it by like either in the next year or like beginning of next year or end of this year, beginning of next year. I still have to get my injectors. I got 1000cc injectors. I still got to get the ECU, the Honda K Pro. And then after that, that's pretty much it. And then I just gotta set up the wastegate, the blow valve. I gotta take my muffler I'm in my car to the muffler shop to get the rest of the exhaust mounted on, because I literally only have the downpipe on, so that's just like fucking loud. But yeah, that's about it. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comments. Let me know. I'll be more than happy to answer any of the questions that you guys have. But without further ado, I'm gonna show the car again one more time. I'll show under the hood, show the intercooler, show the piping, all that stuff, so you guys can see how I did it. So if you ever think about getting this kit or considering it, you guys, have an idea of what to do. I know there's a couple people out there on YouTube who did this kit and put on their car, but you can get it from my perspective and see how I did it. So yeah, I'll take you right now to the car so you'll get another glance at it and see how I set it up. Alright, so yeah, another glance. Here it is. Like I said, the blow valve. I have to buy, keep in mind, if you get this kit, you're gonna have to buy one of these. I bought a fucking, a coupler. I just went to AutoZone and bought one. I have to go to AutoZone and get another one. I'll probably go tomorrow or something. I heat wrap some of this stuff right here. Like I said, did the downpipe. Some a couple more things down there in the back that I have to get. Oh yeah, another thing, huge thing. If you plan on keeping AC, I would not recommend getting this kit in particular, because I had to cut my AC line just to get this one to fit in there. So you will not be able to get the AC line in there. If you want to get this kit, you will have to cut it. It went right down in there. Let me see. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, right there where I cut off at. Right there. So yeah, you will not be able to get it. So yeah, I highly recommend you get a different kit if you want to have AC in your car. The turbo, should lock it down in there. And then the downpipe, the wrapped downpipe. Let me see if you can see the wastegate. You can barely see it, but yeah, there it is right there. Then, like I said, the intercooler was tough getting set up. Don't mind the zip ties, that's gonna get fixed soon. I got zip ties on it for now. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Like I said again, if you got any questions, just leave them in the comment section and I will be more than happy to answer them. Yeah. great day. I'm out of here.